We would like to hear what you have learned. Probably we can bring the mic over to the middle, and then if you would like to share what you learned throughout the 2 days, maybe a short comment, we would appreciate. So then that will help out others, to learn too.
Yes, any feedback? What you have learned on these 2 days? Do come and share with us. Yep, come.
Bhante, I'm new to my Dharma study, and a lot of Pali words are still, the basic ones still not in my head yet. But what really hits me is that Pali was the language that the Buddha used during that time, and since then there's been lots of translation, and sometimes it may not be so accurate as Bhante said, especially like we used to hear this word, this suffering word. So Bhante mentioned that it's just not just suffering, but this spectrum of it, like unsatisfactoriness, that really helped me a lot. And the word like metta, when we say loving kindness, I couldn't get it, like until Bhante said, I can't recall what now, but it's in my notes.
Unlimited friendliness.
Unlimited friendliness. That sounds more like something I can understand and practice. And things like mindfulness especially also. I couldn't grasp that until you said awareness. That's, being more aware of what we are doing every day. So that helped me a lot. And this thing of the interview, that also helped me so much. And I thought maybe if for future ones, we tell all participants we're only taking 20 names today and 20 names tomorrow. So you better hurry up and register. So I was really lucky that a Dharma sister gave me a slot so I could talk to Bhante. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
First of all, thank you, Bhante, for this incredible opportunity. Now, this is the first time that I actually attended something on gratitude. And of course, I just didn't know that there is something that's called gratitude meditation. So anyway, I think from the 2 days, I think one thing that really struck me was the fact that I think we are not thinking enough about giving our gratitude, to the many, many things and many people around us. So one of the practice that I want to take back from this is to think about who are those people. What are the kind of conditions that have actually led me to this Dharma path? All the conditions. So, from the 2 days, I think this is where I want to spend more time to think about every day, what are the things to be grateful about, and how I can actually deepen my gratitude. And also, I think the question on whether gratitude can actually grow our compassion and also wisdom. Now, I want to explore that further, by, every day thinking about the people that we are grateful for and why we should be grateful for them. So this thinking about, why we should be kind or kinder to them actually will arise. So I want to explore that, and thank you for planting this seed in us that gratitude is really central, to the Buddhist practice, and how we can be, develop our kindness and compassion for others. So thank you so much, for planting the idea. Thank you.